How to log in to Grindr account. So if you want to log into Grindr account, then first of all open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. I'm here with Google Chrome browser, and now on the search bar search for Grindr. And after searching on the first search, you will have www.grindr.com. Click on that. And now to log in, what you have to do is click on new login in with web. And now to log into your Grindr, you can log in with your Facebook account or Google account, or you can also log in with your Apple, but I'll be choosing email. So if you want to log in with your email, then click on here which says continue with email. And now you have to first enter your email address and then your password. And after entering your email address and password, you have to click here so that you will be logged in, and you don't need to log in next time. And after entering your email and password, you can click on login. But if you don't remember your password, then you will have forgot password option on the bottom side. You can click on forgot password and then you can reset or recover your password. But if you remember, then enter your password and then your email address and click on login. And that's it. That's how you log into your Grindr account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.